Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix a Red Dead Online error. The error is alert unable to connect to Rockstar Game services at this time. Please try again later. And the error code is 0X99270017. So if you're getting this error in the Red Dead Online game, then here what you have to do. Now let me tell you that the problem is not on your side. The problem is from the Rockstar Game side. They are currently facing the problem in their online services, which generally happens when Rockstar Game servers is down, having outage, or if their servers are offline. So in such case, you have to wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check. If you go to downloaded website and if you check for the server status of the game, then you will see that most of the players are facing this problem. You can see so many players have reported the issue for their server status. Most of the players are facing this issue. So you are not the only one. So just wait, and when their server status get back online, then you can check. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. Fix 1, try to connect to a VPN. Install any reputed VPN such as Nord VPN, Proton VPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark VPN, etc. Then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different region or country other than your current location, and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 2, restart your gaming device and then check, or restart your Wi-Fi router and then try to relaunch the game and check. Fix 3 is 2, you can also try using mobile or cellular data via hotspot and then check, or if possible then try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network and then check. So these are the fixes that you can try to fix the unable to connect Rockstar Game services at this time. Please try again later. Error code is 0X99270017 in Red Dead Online game. But the major problem is their server status is facing the issue. So you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.